Okay. The court calls case 4608, the state of Texas versus Wendell J. Freeman. Is that your correct name?
I object. It sounds like the court is trying to subject me to your jurisdiction. Is this a court of record?
Yes.
A court of record, by definition, is a judicial tribunal having attributes and exercising functions independently of the person of the magistrate designated generally to hold it, and proceeding according to the course of common law. As there is no victim, therefore no common law crime, this is not a court of record.
Okay, for the record, I reserve all my rights at all times and I waive none ever. I'm here by special appearance only as the authorized representative in this tax court.
In what court?
In this tax court.
This is not a tax court.
I move the court to take judicial notice of 28 U.S.C. 3002 subsection 2 court. Court means any court delegated by Congress, excluding the tax court. This is a tax court, in fact.
And what leads you to believe that it's a tax court?
Is it not? Do you have a delegation order from Congress?
While technically the United States Code does not apply to the states except wherein the 14th Amendment is violated, such as in cases of discrimination, the problem for state courts is that they only recognize you as a United States citizen being a resident or foreigner to the state. Under the federal Constitution, any controversy between citizens of one state and another state is under the exclusive jurisdiction of the United States Supreme Court. To circumvent this, there was a Supreme Court decision known as International Shoe Company versus Washington, where the court ruling opened the door for state legislatures to enact long-arm statutes which allowed state courts to directly act upon citizens of another state, and which falls under special maritime and territorial jurisdiction, and is now used to extract taxes from the United States citizens as enfranchisements for the violation of victimless administrative regulations such as possessing marijuana. This is technically a tax court, the very same that our founders fought to remove as mentioned in the Declaration of Independence.
This is a state court. This is not a federal court.
This is a tax court. Do you have a delegation order from Congress? Simple question.
This court was established by the Constitution of Texas.
Do you have a delegation order from Congress? Yes or no? Otherwise, this is clearly a tax court, according to 28 U.S.C. 3002 subsection 2.
Sir, you're being charged with possession of marijuana less than 2 ounces. You have a right to have an attorney present with you. Do you have an attorney?
It sounds like you're practicing law from the bench. According to 18 U.S.C. 455 and 454, you're not allowed to practice law from the bench. Is that what you're attempting to do?
Sir, do you have an attorney, or would you like the court to appoint an attorney for you?
I move the court to dismiss this case for failure to state a claim upon which relief may be granted. According to case law, Bell Atlantic Corporation versus Tombly and Ashcroft versus Iqbal. Wherefore, I respectfully request dismissal of these proceedings with prejudice and entry of judgment in favor of the defendant.
I deny your request.
Under what grounds? Judge, do you have an oath of office on file?
Yes, sir. I've provided you with that.
Do you plan to honor your oath of office today?
Absolutely.
I accept your oath of office. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. So back to the other question, do you have an attorney to appear before you, or are you planning to represent yourself, or would you like the court to appoint one for you?
I believe this court has no jurisdiction to proceed in this matter.
How is that possible when you said you just accepted my oath of office for this court?
I accept your oath of office because it seems like you're in breach of your oath of office. Everything that's going on here is in violation of Title 18-1001, false and misleading statements, which is a $25 million claim.
Mr. Freeman, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset your case for July 11th. at 10 a.m. and I am going to request your presence in the court.
I deny and I object to that. The court has no jurisdiction over myself. You have a great day, sir.
Yes, sir.